Standard 10 Political Science, lesson number 3, Political Parties. Now in this lesson we are going to discuss about what is a political party, what are its characteristics, and the different political parties existing in India. In our day-to-day life, we see different institutions, organizations working around us, and they are working to achieve some goals. In the same way, a political party is an organization with some objectives. But the difference between a political party and other organizations is that a political party wants to participate in the electoral process. It wants to win the elections and to come in power. So, here we can define a political party as follows. Political parties is a group of people who aim to contest elections, win elections, and get power and establish the government of their party. What are the different characteristics of a political party? Let us see. The very first one is to be in power. Every political party wants to be in power, to get majority of the seats and to form its own government. This is the final goal of every political party. The second one is to pursue an ideology. Every political party has its own ideology and it is trying to get support of the common people for the same. The people vote to a political party whose ideology they like or they support. Now, to have a party agenda, every political party declares its agenda before the elections, and accordingly people come to know about their objectives. To establish a government, every political party wants to win elections and to establish its own government. Okay, so that it can fulfill the promises given to the people. The last characteristic of a political party is to act as a link between government and the people. Every political party, after coming in power, is working on its objectives or its ideology. The workers of a particular political party are working as a link between the government and the people. They are trying to take the issues of the people to the government, as well as they are trying to get support of the people for their political party. Okay, they are communicating to the government about the demands of the people and they are trying to see that the demands have been fulfilled. Okay, in the upcoming video we will discuss about the different political parties of India. Thank you.